YouTube, what's good, family? Welcome back to the spot. It's your boy S-Dub, and man, is it cold out here. So, your boy, I hate working in the cold. Anyways, so there's a gentleman. He was out doing a little sprucing around his property with his equipment, and his mower not running. He said he was trying to cut his yard, and it wasn't working right for him. So he brought it over here to the spot. I told him I'm gonna tax him because, man, I hate the cold, guys. Even though I'm from Michigan, I hate the cold. But yeah, so I am still working on the 66, or excuse me, the 212 build and my 66. I'm waiting on a crankshaft stand so I can balance some crankshafts. I'm waiting on piston rings. The piston I pulled out was a 64.5 mil, so I am waiting from China some 64.25 piston rings. But anyways, enough jaw jagging. Let's get this mower going, guys. Like, that gas is definitely wrong. Like, that don't look like regular gas. It smells like gas, but then it's
like this much gas. I should be like, it'd be fuming in my face right now. It's not.
Yeah, like you can see the little beads on top.
And this didn't have any water on the concrete.
No, it was clean.
It was dry.
Yeah, I'm gonna
yeah, there's water in it.
I'm gonna use my gas and set it on fire. We're gonna see what's happening.
Oh, this is his mower.
Yeah. Like, his gas ain't right. Alright, that's enough for the tank. Okay. We got that. Hey, look at it.
You see all the water running out of it? Let's pull the water in there.
Alright. Alright, well, I'm gonna move this. Somebody gave me this. He said
all these mowers have gas in it, so I'd be careful. You're not going to be able to move them after it's lit.
Alright.
Move this because it'll melt your stuff and catch a cord on fire.
We'll see how good it is. Okay.
Move the camera back.
Petrol. Okay, here we go. A little petrol on here.
It's going to trail us to this.
Oh. Alright, so it's good enough. Alright, so it's not completely watered down. But look, you can see the separation.
Yeah. Full of water.
Yep. You can see the separation coming. You can see it separating right there. There's something in this gas. Okay guys, I'm gonna suggest he needs a new carb. So I'm gonna get a new carb and we're gonna get back on it. That could be it. His gap is really close, guys. Like that's a real close gap. So we're gonna re-gap this. That's it, it's at a 20. I like mine in between 35 and 40. So we're gonna open it up. There we go. Now let's put her back in. All right, let's get this Mickey Ficky down. Okay, he only has two. Okay, there's 2 bolts. Don't know.
The one around the corner that Hannah goes to, they have a child area. Princess, it's a princess.
Okay, when you take your carb apart, make sure that you have your gasket assembly. He only has the hard plastic. Let me double check. And it looks like somebody put some type of sealant right here. Let me get y'all close. And it looked like whoever he had working on it, they knew they were missing something. And they put like some Teflon tape right there. So let's see if I got the piece that's missing. Okay, I went in the graveyard. Bam, I found what he was missing right here. And it fits in the carb this way. Put the rubber in, and the hard plastic retains it. Bam, and we're not working in there, so we can leave it there. We have to open the carb up. I've already removed the 2 screws that was right here. All right, we're gonna pop it off. Bam. I see air bubbles, So whatever gas he's using is bad. Yeah. Okay. So now we're gonna do this the easy way. We're just gonna pop off the cartridge. Fuel line 12 o'clock. Cartridge is 9. You come over to the 3 and give it a little twist. Bam, got it out. Now we're gonna focus on the cartridge, but if you look, the center one looks like it's clogged. You can't really see a hole on the top one. Here and here you can see the hole. That one's a little clogged, so we're gonna tighten that up. His gaskets are good. I can't guarantee the clean because I'm using this. This was all they had. If it's non-flammable, in my opinion, it's garbage. Alright, now we're going to clean this. Just flip it upside down so we don't have to take it apart. See, fuel's getting in there. There we go. 12 o'clock. Cartridge at 9. Give it some love. It's on there. And there's your number 7. You see. Alright, putting it back. Don't forget the throttle linkage right here. Little Z-bar. On this particular mower, it's only one. Z-bar it up. Bam. How much fuel he has? He has a full tank. His gas smells funny. We're gonna use it and see. If not, then I'll drain it out. It's on there. Let's lock the fuel on. Close the lid. And we're close enough to fire her up. We're gonna let her sit for a little bit because she's been angled. Okay, this one won't start with all this hardware. I call it the lawnmower lottery. Some you can, some you can't. So make sure this is your recirculation exhaust recirculation. Make sure that tube is connected. All right. Bam. priming good. Oh, it's been raining. This got rained on. So I'm gonna spray some starter fluid on there. And if it's still bad, it'll burn through all the fumes of the starter fluid and everything, and then it'll die out again, guys. It's trying. So I'm gonna try to fire it back up and see what happens.